Hi guys, welcome to Photoshop tutorial, and in this video you are going to learn healing brush tool. So remove this part from the photo by selecting part of your photo as the reference point. So this is my photo. You can see that in this photo there is problem because she has problem in her right side cheek. Okay, so what I do, just select the second option, and then it is more of like plastic surgery. Okay, so now I press Alt tab. Okay, press Alt tab, this one with one hand, and select the area which you want to be a reference point. For example, I pressed Alt and clicked here. Now you can see we are trying to heal the spot. Select the area once again, and now, so if you do this slowly and carefully, then this tool is really very good if you run a photo studio or you are doing a photo editing. Oh, now she just smart girl, right? So this is really a very good tool for healing. Okay, so that's it in this video, and in the next video I will see you.